money can keep you happy short time. Name can keep you short time. But if you learn something from inside, you can happy, much happier than before. Really. Because I'm so famous in China. People say, oh, JD, I'm frustrated. I'm only in China. I need to be Asia power. Then I tried very hard in the 80s. Then I'm very famous in Asia. And everybody cheating, wow, you're a hero. I said, no good. I only make 20 million Hong Kong dollars. Look, America, they make 20 million US dollars. I need to be better. Then I go to America. I try so hard. Then I make something happen. Then I say, wow, no, finally I got it. Hollywood movie, I proved I can do it. Then I look at the other people, they just make a call. Buy this stock market, afternoon, sell this stock market, they make 50 million. They're suffering, wow. I'm so stupid. I use my body, I try so hard. Million people look me like a hero, but I look me as so stupid. That people just sit in there, they have a good education, they just make a call, so that they make money. Terrible life. You know, because of the whole education, we want to go out, learn more power, more name, you know, everything more.